In this video, you'll learn how to host a website on a GoDaddy domain in just a few minutes, so you can take your project live with your own custom address. First, go to godaddy.com and sign in to your account. Click on My Products in the top right corner, where you'll find all your registered domains and any hosting plans you've purchased through GoDaddy. Next, if you don't have hosting yet, click Hosting and choose a plan that fits your project needs. GoDaddy offers shared hosting, WordPress hosting, and VPS plans, all with easy setup and reliable performance built in. Now, connect your domain to your hosting plan. From the hosting dashboard, click Setup and select the domain you want to use. GoDaddy will automatically link your hosting and your domain in just a few clicks. After that, access cPanel from your hosting dashboard to upload your website files. Open File Manager, navigate to the public HTML folder, and upload your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files, or extract a zip file directly inside. Once your files are uploaded, visit your domain in a browser to confirm your website is live. From here, you can install SSL, set up email accounts, configure DNS settings, and manage backups easily from your dashboard. And that's it. Your website is now hosted on a GoDaddy domain, fast, secure, and ready for visitors from anywhere.